Dominic, let me see your cool glasses. Dominic, let me see your cool glasses. Wow. Good job. Good job, yeah.
Go get Chase, baby. Go get him. Go get him. That's a stop.
Getting a snack? Chase, where are you going? Say hi. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Where are you going?
Get it out of the machine.
Go, go. Is that Margene? Oh, careful, Chase. Whoa. Where are you going, Chase? Did you get your big burst of energy? Mama, who's that? Is that Steve? Is that Steve and Margene? Go, go. Do you want to go in and see Dominic? Let's go see Dominic.